In this video, I will show you how to find empty servers in Roblox Blox Fruits. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to do this, of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to Roblox and log into your account. Then what you can do is use the search box at the top, type Blox Fruits into here, and search for this in experiences. What you then want to do is click onto Blox Fruits to be taken to the game experience page, and from here at the top you're going to want to click onto servers. Now from here, if you actually scroll down a bit, and what you want to do is come down to where it says other servers, then what you want to do is tick the box here to exclude full servers and change this drop down box from descending to ascending. Now once you've done that, effectively this is going to show servers with the least amount of people. A lot of these are going to have just one person in. Now to go ahead and get an empty server, all you need to do is simply join one of these servers with just one person or two people, and when that person actually leaves the server, of course the server is going to become your own personal empty server. So that is how to find empty servers in Roblox Blox Fruits. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.